In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can manage your software stack using ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top left to create a new one and click on Templates. From here, simply type in software on the search node. And as you can see, these are the templates by ClickUp or provided by ClickUp that you can use. And you can also use this for your software stacking. So choose one that you can use. For example, this software project, then use that template. Then make a folder name. Of course, where would be the list created? Then import everything or customize the import items for the start and due date. So you can import it as is, or you can remap the dates. Then choose whether to include the archive task. Then use the template. Now, ClickUp would set this up, and after setting up, it should show right here on your left panel, and it should automatically open. So let's give ClickUp a few seconds to finish. It's almost done. See the progress. As you can see, now it should open very soon. And right here, as you can see, it has a list view, a Kanban board, a Gantt chart, and a timeline, all of which you can use to manage your software. You can now put your programmings right here and manage your tasks to easily organize your projects. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.